Hello Rattlings and welcome back to my house. So this week we're going to be working on getting basically everything underneath the roof deck finished for the top floor of the house. We're going to be doing the trusses all across the top floor and getting the rafters done for our attic storage areas. So we started here in our attic storage area as well as on the other side of the house. We did those first, then we came back and did the whole back side of the top of the roof here in one day, running the front side of our peak here. So we've pretty much got this whole half side done here. Yeah, the sketchy brick. And then over here, we finished the attic storage, which is a lot roomier because we're not missing 10 or 12 inches of floor here. But so we finished all this. We finished the entire back side. Another thing that we can kind of point out here is we also did, there's these bump outs underneath the side eaves or the gable eaves. So we had to cut notches into the top of the Lincoln block, into the top of the gable wall. We had to cut notches out every 4 feet, sometimes a little closer if we're in an unsupported corner. And put 2x4 basically that reaches out over the gable wall to support our roof so that it has something underneath it holding it up. So over the gables, it's not just, you know, flush with the roof or floppy and going with the wind.
What specifics are you using for this, for the second floor?
The panels, they are 16 30-seconds. Yeah, 16-30-seconds, so half-inch CDX. Sometimes people will use CCX out on their eaves, but we're gonna soffit in our eaves and cover those, so we didn't need to have the C-grade material on the top and bottom. It's more than twice as expensive, so we just went with CDX everywhere, and then we're gonna soffit in underneath our eaves. So, yeah. We have a few things that we're not gonna be able to do. Notably, we're not gonna be able to do the rafters over our great room. We had some of the materials for that delivered damaged. They're cracked and broken and just not something that I want to be putting up there holding up my roof. We're going to be basically doing all the rafters and the trusses for everything but the great room this week. That's what we're up to, and we're going to get back to it.
Okay.
Hammer if you want it.
Oh man, I'm full of nails, bro. I'll loop them.
All right.
It's right up here?
Yep.
Hook me up.
The rope hanging down.
The hookup's on the back, right?
Yep.
Yeah, you want to help me out? Jacked in.
Up you go.
Oh boy!
Now, the first thing I'm going to need from you is a measurement.
Okay.
All the way across the bottom.
All right. I can only count to 4. Is that high enough?
I don't think you really have to count. You just gotta read it off the...
But I don't even know the numbers.
We'll work it out.
All right. Okay. Oh yeah, this is totally exactly what I want to be doing right now.
Yeah. So now just get up to the to the 2x4.
Yeah. Oh man, this fucking sucks ass. Dude, this is horrible. Bro.
Look, and these are not stormy.
Shut up, don't jinx it. Oh man.
You know, I can reach out under the eave and hold it. There's enough room.
That would be sick. Where should I go first?
Stay on this wall, like close to this wall. You can even maybe hold on to it.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, but then I gotta go across, right?
You will eventually, but you can probably just extend your measuring tape and hook the lip,
Yeah.
outside lip, and measure it.
But you need a measurement of that distance right now? Okay.
Cut the face sheet.
All right. Maybe I'll leave the nail gun here and go do that.
Okay. The nail gun also, if you set it down, and
there's enough friction?
it will grip. Put the head up top.
Yeah.
There's rubber pads on the side of it. If those kind of engage,
I see.
stay, but it's
Wait,
tenuous.
Okay. All right. Good tip. Okay, so he's gonna stay there, and I'm gonna go down here.
So throw that line over the wall.
Yeah.
Like, well.
Oh, I'm actually pretty stable here. This isn't as bad as I thought.
That's why you're wearing flats.
Yeah, hell yeah, dude. I got my Chucks on.
Yeah.
the high grip Chucks.
Yeah.
All right.
So you're gonna go down to the edge.
Okay.
But you're gonna have to grab this in your hand.
Yeah.
And pinch it periodically to get yourself.
To give myself a little more juice.
Yep.
Yeah, just not too periodically, otherwise I'll die.
Just if you're falling, let go of it. Don't grip.
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna like tense up and fucking just go. Yeah. No, I'm good, man. This actually isn't that bad.
Yeah.
It's getting a little spookier as I go down here. Like the boys are definitely like considering my choice of occupation here a little bit, but
you'll get used to it. And this is fine.
Yeah. I'm already getting used to it. This is no problem. All right, I'll try again. It's coming. Be ready. Yeah, be ready.
I'm ready.
Oh.
You need like an anchor, maybe pull around.
Yeah, I don't think there's any way to do this other than just. Yeah, I sure can. A stick? Here, I can grip the edge of the roof at least to give myself some confidence. Just nail it? Really? Yeah, I know, but nail it? Yeah. Not screw it?
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Nail it down maybe like 2 feet from the edge just to give yourself something to gecko maxing.
Yeah, I'm not going to grab it right now. I'm going to get over there first. Okay, this isn't so bad.
Yeah.
It's not so bad when I'm not like nearing the fucking doomsday edge.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to put it right against the edge there.
I do a little bit up, but yeah.
Yeah. Now I get a nice long thing to hold while I do this.
You know, if you fall, I'm jumping out of the way, but I can at least give you a little bit of. You're choking me. For your friction, you know?
Yeah. So you want to go down a little lower. I think like right in the middle of these things here.
Yeah. You know what I don't?
I'm just gonna.
It doesn't have to be all the way at the end, you know, like, just as long as you're not small angling us, you know.
I'll try my best. I might have to add my 3 1/8.
That's fine.
I'm gonna call that good. Okay.
What do you got?
Oh, Jesus. Hold on. 171.5 plus 3 1/8.
174 and 5/8.
Correct.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm gonna hand you one, and then I'm gonna get a stick and kind of like put it out underneath the eave on the far end. Also, the smooth side goes out.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put a stick underneath just to support it, and then you can hang it over, butt it up against the roof,
Yeah.
and nail it in.
All right. Smooth on the outside, you said?
Yeah.
Okay. Fuck. Gonna get a little closer to you. Yeah, I feel like we need 3 dudes for this, man. Like, this is just sketchy as hell. Like, maybe you could think of a way, but I'm gonna like lay all the way down.
Yep.
Oh, it's moving a little bit. All right.
Here, hand up the nail gun behind you.
Okay. Let me grab there.
Okay, now get control of the fascia.
You got it. Motherfucker. Whoa! What? Ah! Whoa!
Nail gun.
Woo! Hey, it works. Did the top plate thing break?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Guess I should have put some more nails in that.
Oh.
Like and subscribe.
Wouldn't it be awesome if I was recording?
You're not recording? Bring ya!
I was.
That was kind of fun. I had wanted, since we got the fall protection, a little bit in my heart of hearts to fall off the roof, and I got that today. But we're gonna try and not to do that again. So we'll try a different approach next time, and we'll be all right.
Advice to people who think to try the method.
I don't know. Don't fall off the roof. Try and do it from below. Have a level ground so you can use scaffold.
Like and subscribe.